Me and Richie here are gonna take a little ride in a 66 GTO. Sweet. That's it, man. This is a real one. Real 242 car. Been frame off restored. Got the 389 engine in it with a nice upgraded 2-barrel setup, which is really cool. Got a 4-speed, which is nice. Look at there.
3 deuces and a 4-speed.
That's it, man.
It's got the updated Hurst edition too, so it's got the Hurst shifter, the Hurst badging, and the Hurst wheels.
Yeah, it looks really great. You know, it's got the old Rally Tac cluster there on there. Little stock AM radio. And then
got disc brakes up front too, Gary.
Yep. It's got upgraded disc brakes, and it's also got the positraction rear end. We think it's around 355, the gear ratio in it.
Yeah, we spotted up on the rack and counted them. It looked like a 355. They came with 390s, but that's kind of a low gear if you want to cruise around on the freeway or anything.
Yeah,
especially with a 4-speed.
And what's nice about it too is got that tops it off with those nice Redline tires.
Oh yeah, the radials.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it runs great, man. Yeah, I drove one of these when I was a young kid with my cousins.
A few weeks ago?
Yeah, a few weeks ago. A few million years ago. Before they invented gas. But anyways, yeah, this car is really sweet. We're going to show you some pictures of it, of course, and do a video of it around there. But man, these are nice cars, these GTOs. Fit a lot of people in the back. Look at that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Whole family with you.
Yeah, exactly. You know, and this thing is, it just runs great, and they're a lot of fun to drive, and they get a lot of attention. This is a nice, straight black car. All right, we're here. All right, we're gonna check out this nice 1966 Pontiac GTO. Really nice looking black car. It's got a 389 in it, and it's got the 3 2-barrel carburetors on there. It's 4-speed. Got positraction rear end. Think about 355s. It's got some of the Hurst shifter and the Hurst wheels on there. Really a nice car, nice and straight. It's a real 242 car. It's a real GTO, and it's been frame off restored. And it looks great going down the road. Yeah. And the Hurst wheels, those are really nice looking. You know, it kind of sets it off from the standard ones. Got the Redline tires. See that? Give you a shot of the interior here. It's all in great shape, pretty stock. It's got the rally gauges, you know, with the tachometer. It's got the wood on there. Stock AM radio. Center console. There's your Hurst shifter there. Really a nice car. Headliner's in great shape. Back seat area. Nice big car. Take the whole family along. The thing runs really good. We're going to show you the engine compartment next, and you can take a look at it, and we'll start it up for you too. Alrighty, here's the power plant on this GTO. It's got the 3 deuces on there, the old Rochesters, and it's 389, of course. Really nice looking. It's got power front disc brakes. It's a little upgrade there we got, and then power steering. Really nice and clean. We're going to start this one up for you. Let you take a listen. Yeah, sounds good. Runs pretty cool for a Pontiac too. It's got that aluminum radiator. That really helps a lot. We're going to let you take a listen. Yeah, she's a little cammy too, which is good. More horsepower never hurt anybody. But we got this nice looking GTO here. Nice real 242 car at California Cars. Phone number is 818-591-1313. We're located in Simi Valley. You can give me, Gary, or Rich a call, and we'd be more than happy to show you this car. Thanks for watching.